cheer for your mamuni akwaba eba Melodies Podcast YouTube channel. So yes, sir. And there, your first time we'll have subscribing and clicking notification bell on the so. Now, boy, you know, our latest news we about one sabeka. Metro send you so you know, I will screen so see an actress. Ya tia yensem so. A year Kwame A plus. A year name say Kwame A plus. This is here. Yen Kagana and Sema. Okay, and that screen is no. You know, pepe and subscribing and clicking notification bell on the so. Now, yanko back to yensem so Kwame A plus. These days no, Bobeka so we a social commentator. A ban of Ghana and Samoa, whether it goes in on party favor, and I say it doesn't go in on party favor. Can work. Kwame A plus will be our company, ma MPP, or company ma MPP. Na as MPP bass no, ne ninja because in yama be a woman no. Intina nsenka wakasetia MPP a wo hwa MPP for no kan no bebre na edi na tem na waba abontia be kasafa accident ne ho wo say politician bi enya accident no ye nia ye nim say last year politician bi a friend no George Anda onya accident ho an ye de helicopter fan na chese ye de ne ko ya sabia gidi a ende nyame adominti no wenya ne ho ana wenya ne 3 didim. Na Kwame A plus say politician nya accident ne de aban enya anyansa de helicopter kofano but ye ne nim kintampo accident a esiye osiye no yamfa helicopter nkofo bia nkofo na say kromafo no ana sa kro no omo team no omo na wo kọ kwan so a omo kọ boa sa nkofo no na as a politicians no omo mbuye. And also some example say politicians they can womba no wom vote. No my example say Rollins ba no. Oye na adwen say work stand as MP no and sa wo hu say wo ni voters ID and no akoye voters ID. Inti na tre say on vote da e wo Ghana. Ate say politicians ba no kan wom vote na ye ni ejimi. Na wo wie ye no kan sem bebre just no any experience accident wo hu ye ene nyama na Kwame A plus or the project be about a friend of the People's Project. Now what person will create the third force. A person will create a third force aside MPP and NDC. Or person also create a third force and no a bear mebuno youth. Into no youth no but me aka say more MPP ni NDC for yampemo asem and I say and the youth for no because okay MPP for ni person yetomo ebia the next year mbeka say okay NDC for ni person yetomo and no mbeka say that be mu two ni ye ntoma mo na try say it will be a third force the MPP and the NDC will have to reckon with until no esisa na NDC for ba ben mu a omunim say oh other two forces were hunting no sebe Jimmy no ombetwa so kakra eno ne nsema Kwame A plus ana group a wo creating no one nkofo bi eba life occasionally oba ode nkofo bi eba life atress wo munia wo be kasa efa road accident ne ho ene other matters arising in Ghana nti yenkonko tie nsema mo kan the full audio nsema wo munia wo mo kan.
Okay, welcome back. We are very sorry. We are having some small issues. We sincerely apologize for that. We are talking about the accident that occurred about 3 days ago at Kintampo, between Techiman and Kintampo, where many people lost their lives. And I was saying that today I posted on Facebook that we need ambulances because we have so many politicians who go roaming about in our communities, claiming to want to serve us, and therefore we have to vote for them. So many of them, you find them during election years in communities saying that, oh, I want to serve you, vote for me so I can serve you. And when these people are involved in an accident, immediately there is emergency service, there is ambulance, there is helicopter. Even if there is a runway, there will be a jet fighter or B-55 bomber to airlift them to the hospital. And now we are the people. We campaign. We join the queues. We do all the door-to-door campaigns, telling people about the government. And this is not peculiar to any particular government. We are not here to say that what we are talking about is because MPP is in power, so we are criticizing the MPP government. No, this is Ghana. For 62 years, this is the Ghana that we have. And it will be very unfair to come and sit here and talk about this issue and say we are going to criticize the MPP. MPP has been in power for how long? Nanado's government has been in power for barely 2 years. But they have been in power before, under President Kufuor. So this is the Ghana that we have, where when one human being is involved in an accident, there is a helicopter immediately to airlift the person, for the person to get the best treatment. But when hundreds or tens of people are involved in an accident, the local people must cut through metal and try to save lives before fire service will come. Fire service will come. But when fire service comes there, the fire service, what do they have? They just have some truck to come and see if they don't have anything. Fire service, what do they fire service come to any accident scene to do? Apart from coming to help to remove the people from the cars or buses, or what does the fire service do? Bruh. Police will come there. What will police do? And if you want to blame police, when a policeman comes there, apart from directing traffic, the people who are dying, what can the police do about it? Why is it that when one politician is involved in an accident, immediately, so one politician in this country is more important, or their lives matter more than 100 people in one bus? Today I posted on Facebook, somebody came and said that if government does not build cathedral and they buy ambulance and helicopter, won't accident happen? I say, before they built cathedral, the accident happened at a central region. One minister was involved. He's my friend, my very good friend. And I'm very happy that he's my very, very good friend. This last year, the last time I met him, he invited me and we went to Labadi Beach Hotel for dinner with my kids. So you understand what I'm saying, what I'm talking about. This person who was involved in an accident and there was a helicopter there immediately to airlift him, I was so happy because he's my friend. I don't want him to die. I was so happy that there was a helicopter to airlift him to 37 Military Hospital to give him the best treatment. But the fact of the matter is that his life is not more important than those who are dying at Kintampo. Those people crowd there, they are not my friends. I don't know them. There's not a single person who has called me and said that my wife's brothers, uncles, aunties, best friends, husband, long relationship, nobody has called me to say. But they are human beings, they are Ghanaians. So I don't know them, but I want that same treatment that they gave to my friend, the politician, to be given to these people. Where is the ambulance? There was an accident there. And everybody is cutting through metal and they are trying to save lives. How long will it take for a helicopter to fly from Kumasi, Konfanochi, there to airlift people? Just yesterday, go and watch CNN and BBC. Go and watch their website. There was a Norwegian ship, cruise boat, that had some issues on the sea. Helicopter was there to airlift 400 people. Look, look, this skin color, this black skin color doesn't make you stupid. At sea, there was a helicopter to airlift people, carry them from the ship. Here, in Tampo here, people are dying in an accident, and all that you can do is to stand there and watch them. Let me tell you a story. In 2015, I was coming from Winnipeg around this time. I was driving. There was this Trotro 207 commercial vehicle ahead of me. And when I'm driving at night, I love to drive about 100 meters behind the car that is ahead of me, so that it's like the car is opening the road for me. You know, so me, I'll just be moving yes, at a certain pace behind the car that is going.
If it goes left, it goes left.
Yes, so me, I'm just following. Then I saw ahead of that car an oncoming vehicle, but I noticed that the light was in our lane. Even from that distance, I could tell that no, the light was too close to us. So I began slowing down. You know what happened? That was a tipper truck coming. It came straight and drove into the passenger truck, the 207. It just drove into it straight. And I was the only car. That was around 11. Yes, around 11. I was the only car. So I stopped, and I was the only person there. One, I didn't know any emergency number to call. The only number I could call was police. And even that one, I was not sure if that police number was. So I called my friend, a policeman in Winnipeg, and said, there's an accident here, and I'm the only one here. And that car was full of human beings. So full load from Takrady or Mankesimo, one of those people. That car was full of human beings. I was the only one in the bush there with a truck load of people who have been involved in accidents, who are dying. I've seen it with my eyes.
And you are seeing it.
Yes. So when you watch Facebook live video, a video of an accident, you are only seeing a video. Me, I have seen the car driving into a truck, and I'm the only one there, and I have to stand in the middle of the road and stop cars, so all of them stop. Now we have to try and open the door and get the people. There are people who are carrying their children like this. They are dead, and their children 6 months, 1 year, they are dead in their arms. I saw it with my eyes. When we talk about these things, it is not because we are talking for ourselves. If a politician was there, immediately that thing happens, there will be emergency service at once. When they come, they can take their own and go. But you, Hayford, when it happens to you, nobody will be there. But you are the same person who will be campaigning for politicians. Their children don't even vote. They don't have votes. Until Rawlings' daughter was going to stand for election, we realized that she didn't even have a vote. Voters ID card could only be. But if something happens, they will benefit, they will enjoy. You, they don't care about you. They who knows you. But by 4 a.m., these same people who were dying at Kintampo and those whose family have died will go and stand in a queue and wait to vote for people. It is not wrong. They are citizens of this country, and they think that they must be part of our democratic process. And so they have to wake up and go and vote to ensure that our democracy is going on. So can't politicians show them some little respect or appreciation for these things that they do to give you a job, to put you in power, to give you a V8? Can't politicians show appreciation for it? And unfortunately, they have some people who call themselves party communicators. Just the fact that they have chosen the person to be a party communicator, immediately that person becomes stupid.
Support whatever.
When you talk that, look, all of us, we need this. Party communicator is angry because you are asking for ambulance, because so that it will save lives. Oh, you are better. Of course, I am better. I am better because I live in a country where when you talk, you can't have a job. So I'm a very bitter person working in this country. Because when you give me a job, you say, because we have given you a job, keep quiet and chop. Don't talk again. Let the rest of the people die. Immediately you talk, they take your job. And me, until that practice of giving people jobs just to shut them up, and I will be a very bitter person because me, I want a job and a voice. I want Nanado to take me as a secretary. When he comes out of his office, he sees me. When he's going, he sees me. But still, I can come on radio and say, Nane, that cathedral are going to build is no good. Mm-hmm. That is the only time I would think that, because the people who are with Theresa May, the conservative party or whatever they call them, they are her people. They voted against her Brexit deal 3 times. The same people in Ghana, can anybody vote against anything? No, because the president brought it. It's okay. And the president himself is somebody who wants to hear the truth. And if you're president in this country, it is so difficult to hear the truth that you yourself, what you want to hear, they will not allow you to hear.
Because they will tell you that
everything is okay. It's okay. When you give them money, even election time, when you give them money to go and do campaign, they'll go and chop. Say, oh nana, you can never hear the truth. Even your own support that you have, they will never tell you. Look at this. And this issue that happened at Kintampo, it will happen again. My very good friend Ato, he was involved in that accident. There were only 2 people. There were 3 people who survived. One died later, so they were left with only 2 people. Ewiasibas and Oye that collided at on the Kumasi Road. My friend, I put 2 of my friends on the bus. I took them to a VIP station. They got on the bus and they were involved in an accident. Nana died. Atu survived. My own friend. Atu said that when that accident happened, it was at dawn. So the thing threw him out of the bus and he was in the bush for some time. No, nothing. Just villagers walking in the bush looking for people. And this is in name here. And these same people wake up and go and vote. What are you voting for? What power are you going to vote for? The politicians and their children, they don't even care about voting. They know that they have made the people stupid. They have put you in a position where you think that without them, you can't live. They know that they are fooling you, and it is well calculated that they know that Ghana for. And these same people, we are 8 years. Automatic Ghana for the 10. Because the politician knows that on so PH you. They know that you are very stupid. So, when they come out and they see you, yeah. Oh, madam, papa, so me, many politician, I'll be back as a Kwame Plus about them. Hey, we a politician who share me make someone who say, say, Papa, no, do any alone. Therefore, with you. Me, what you, me, who politician. Me, who boys, some nam Kwana, I be some Kuma. Oh, at the same, ordinary people know me, woo, like street boys, me to almost swami cram, would swami cram echo. Now, sir, Papa, or TB, or see for. Like me, who my locking my green amount. Like me, who no me, because me say me. But when him say, therefore, big me when you vote, and my maintenance stress rate, or more, and yes, will be a very fine politician, somebody who knows how to manipulate the people. He is a great politician. When him true crap, when him send you better than no. But me the me who are yes, when him kasapa, and yes, when him no correct count, when him true crap, obey control no man I. So me when I meet you, me when I go do me post me and the boys. I like the boys because Charlie, I'm a bread for 62 years. I'm a bread. And then Obi or Wogan house one pen and out was same year, Sanipano, where by for. Yeah, I love money. But the police need to go and call you, mammy. Then pet,
and we need to shape in things.
But Obey the Apoca. On one goes what you on the ground. Oba church, you will be a channel the bluff, the contingency of the democracy of our GDP has affected the fiscal deficit of the equilibrium of the suspect. So, all the people in this country, I'm telling you, if you want to wake up and go and vote again in 2020, no problem. Go and vote in 2020. Go and vote. Go and vote. However, from Bolgatanga, from Paga, all the way through Bolga to Tamale, to Buipe, do you see one ambulance or one satellite clinic be stationed at one corner? You will see police checkpoint on the way from Paga. Drive every 30 minutes, you meet police checkpoint. Do you see one ambulance parked at a police checkpoint waiting?
Likewise, when you are playing football, you might see ambulance park.
Even FIFA, it happens once in maybe 200 games. No BM prior. Once in 500 games, but the ambulance is you.
We are waiting for certain things.
We are waiting for our Sky Daddy. Who is Sky Daddy? Nyame. Sky Daddy. Or saying we be Nyame. And then how can all of us just get up and go and vote? Me, I want to vote for a politician. I want to vote for a party in 2020. However, I am telling everybody that come, let's come together. If somebody has $100 million to build a cathedral, let's tell the person that use that money to buy ambulances and helicopters, because our roads are not good and accidents will happen. There are no lights. So put ambulance there, emergency service there, so that when accidents happen, we can be there on the spot to save human beings' life. If you do it, I'll give you my vote.
So you are trying to say that we have to dictate for.
We have to dictate for the politician. The politician must not dictate for us. They go and write manifesto. What they think they can do. Let's write our terms and conditions and give them our votes.
So manifesto against
terms and conditions. If we write our terms and conditions,
they should come and read our terms and conditions.
And yes, and we are Ghanaians. We want this country to develop. So we are not going to do unrealistic things. We are going to do things that are realistic. So yeah, when we put the paper down, the people who live between Tamale, between Paga and Tamale, we want one ambulance by every police checkpoint. And the same people, will you do? They say yes. Sign here. You sign. Mm-hmm. We want a helicopter at Konfanoche Hospital so that when there is an accident, they can just fly and take people. Or we want at Tamale Hospital, we want a helipad and a helicopter sitting on top waiting. Mm-hmm. So when that, will you do? They say yes. Sign here. That you will do. You sign. When we have 1 million people, and we all of us go to the Independence Square, and we call the politicians to come. Have you seen a politician who has seen 1 million people that he won't come before? Yeah. They will come. The politician will knock down anything to get one vote. When they come, then we sign paper with them. Enough of just voting because you want to vote. We have to start signing bonds with the politicians. Sign bonds, sign. You do what? You say, I will do a one district, one factory. Sign here. Sign. I will do the sign. What you can do, don't say. All the things you can do that you are saying, when you line, you say it here, you sign here. You say here, you sign here. You say here, you sign here.
It should be visible.
Yes, well, the things that you are doing, we should see it at Independence Square. You sign paper like this. You show it to the whole Ghana. I said that I am coming to do this. Here is it. Camera, GTV, TV3. Joy News, Adum TV, everybody is there. That this man says that vote for him is coming to do this. Mm-hmm. After you are finished signing all those, then we give you another paper. Then you sign that. The first thing that I sign, if I don't do it, do this to me. Sign.
And you sign again. Mm-hmm. And we, the citizens, will be checking.
And we, the citizens, when we wake up, we will look.
We have our copy now.
So yes. So that all of us, we can be part of the country that you are running. So that we can tell the people that, do you want 1 million votes? We, the people, we have 1 million votes. Do you want the 1 million votes? Yes. Okay. Then between these 3 years, we don't want you to buy V8. We want you to buy tractor. Buy tractor for the village folks, for the farmers. No V8 for 8 years, for 3 years. Do you understand? Yes. Sign here. You sign. So that there will be more tractors in the village than V8 in the cities.
You
understand, bruh? So, Ghanaians, we are not here to fight with anybody. We are here to make life better for us. The people who are ruling us, they have enjoyed life because their predecessors prepared a better life for them. You come and meet a politician. He comes to you and tell them, hey, me, the time I was in Legon, hey, we enjoy, one person in a room. Good. Today, the same person, when somebody prepared one person in a room for that politician to enjoy one person in a room, vacation jobs, they were giving them money. All these old politicians in their 60s and 70s, when they were in Legon and Kibas and all, they were giving them everything, including beer. Government was giving them money to drink beer. Do you know that?
Yeah.
Today, they put 10 people in one room. And then they come back to that same place that somebody prepared for them to sleep one in a room. They put 10 in a room and they come back to and they say, form TESCON. Form 10.
And there is land over there.
And people form TESCON and 10, NDC and MPP youth groups to support these same people to enrich themselves. So, below people that you, when you were campaigning, when you were in school, a certain some people prepared for you so much that you could enjoy beer allowance. They don't even give people sobo or orange juice. Don't give people. Bra, yanko, fire, ni yanko.
I think that accident.
Yes. Brief. Then let's talk about how we can improve agriculture.
I think that accident. First of all, I like to look. I like to look at things. I like to look at things at a practical point of view.
Yes.
Number one, maybe I can't pinpoint. Do we have enough road signs there that tells the story of the road or the nature of the road? Near one. Number two, bus in Sophia Fancy Kumasi and an how many bars, restaurants, and a walk crying so driver Timmy Gina, what you say? AC form a Johnson or baby papa, so person stretch here or Timmy Johnson, Uncle Gina baby, and Roberts beat me attacking bars.
Yes.
What did the Overall, I want to ask where the closest ambulance from the point now accident in the closest ambulance, Kentampo, and I will Paga, and I will Boga, and I will Tamale, and I will teach him. A dear the abrupt communication technology I work in your system, say Bibisa Sia. You better me contact emergency. Medium, police for no accident. Yes, first someone through her and bad. What you say? But say who be Samia and Kabasi a dream we say clean. The first people you must see there are paramedics. First people,
yeah, Kasa.
What you say? First people you must see there should be paramedics. Police for no. Say paramedics ne ba ho na say there are traffic issues near there and a police be kwan mu ma paramedics man there den otimi twam go through accidents some one way na EDNC fire service oba ho obeyi ni pa ahye wa medunja because oduru ho no ba jana hye and where is the nearest fire service plant to baby adem is here and what plans have we done? What research and post-accident plans have we done? Say every 5 miles biano and every so miles biano, we need to get a base for fire service, paramedics, and then some skeleton staff of police. What did I mention? Yeah. Somebody was sharing his story with me today, personally. I said, "Bra, my fro bus pay ye na mo kwa na josa driver na ye say o peso ojina si Johnson. O si Johnson ye no, o sa betra mo back no wa betra steer na chi. The boy na ya o de phone bi 250 hot na so no, o na be fa bus. And our no thing change, and our ye there, or direct na had ya to. I had you see, this is a bus with 54 people inside. Who is checking? Say, Obia drive all the way from Accra, Akodu Kentampo, Abrao Ninan Reste. One check is The simplest method at which you can put together to be able to avoid some of these things. Oh yeah, road markings and walk na yedibia tare hokra a paper. Now ni madibi sa savannah savannah areas driving there a very very funny because ubetimi awo ha na ohu tete kwashi.
Yeah.
And you agro sisiana because of lack of activity no ebe forward ni so from afar ni so kakra obeda. Baby, I mean, police Timmy Gina Bass and check how many hours he has been on the road.
Yes.
Without stopping. Yeah, nubi. Yeah, nubi. Na nipa almost 100 no etimiashi. Maybe sa wasemo. Nipa ba ku twetio edi kum nipa 49 with New Zealand. They declared a black day for that particular
Nipa 49.
Yes.
Nipa 49.
Or Nipa 49. Almost declared that day no a black day. President Ankasa, Prime Minister Ankasa Sifon or Jed Obeye na Nipa na or two no within 48 hours of ADNC and the court. Within 72 hours now rifles no use the abani. No sales of it. We natural systems that work.
Yes.
Damage notice here. You nipa close to about 100 people a week. Yet it was hard to say they are raising. It's any pana no more bass. Omunye nipa.
Man betuaba next year la.
Omoma betuaba. Omo fast for betuaba. Omunye nipa.
Be anti Facebook on the lament. My own.
Na I send the bush and be Facebook answer. Where are the systems? The guy said papa started ball ambulance would euro and any light will motorway and
Right.
Besine ye hunu still. Ye train my BBS yana. Unim, remember example. Porto kakra bi beda. Opa ufri ha kona papa ye ho. Oko wenim kakra. Smice for no ho. That time na time so na yire to Golden Gate. Se fa kan bo hu de huro 6 months. PNC. Ye wo ho one day bia ye hwese guguru. Oma ba omo fail. Say first lady go fi na driver now dia kokpom.
First lady boom dia ye be.
What you say obo mo e wo so na adu meal se kakra na ne baby akra ntio. Na homa che pepepe na ye tina ho na ye fix. Enti ye proactive kakra. Ye proactive. Na wo can say be say what did to Facebook na MPP communicator bi aba so say ye to helicopter na ye to ambulance accident insi. Kwame, me ma show you should need you be at
almost what they are. And now you propose to me from say or down for one. My phone feel and do the good thing is that my main for the good thing is that NDC MPP in your support.
Oh yes.
And then many people are MPP for very stronger. Catch straight say helicopter and ambulance and prevent accident. But the BCB like to send a CB minister and they are very strong MPP.
Yes.
And I can say the generalization is not good. Sabi for
me generalizing also communicate what they say. Also communicate now the person catching say for all you know genuinely until their helicopter and ambulance na be yama. Enti me person me catch say nipa ni say you free be post management, accident post management. A Syria, you have an opportunity to be able to save some of their lives. Now, if you don't have certain equipment, it means you leave all of them to die, like what we saw. What did they mention? In the ambulance, helicopter, near the enemy who be on Facebook. See, there are 3 helicopters in my police for. I don't know how true.
Rabbi, our case in India, Mamma, we income. I see a top a helicopter, me and son, and the Diama police for a police for you. The bias is a water helicopter, me and son. Sanya Muye Mokano. Someone maintain a helicopter now.
And he will
Yes, in Pianim. And I do fis roa. It is a moon, some service. I am one time fan shop.
One farmer say, I'm
Mutu Amuntu Fapum, and any almost Hanipunum, and the bones walk on a bones.
Yeah, Kedi Diagro, Mujinaka, and so Mobu, I'm going to help
the rap also.
What I say, and you know, we are talking about post-accident management. You say, Yanka say it means nothing. Every 10 miles, Biara, you post to BBC. Ye na nyamia domne adom kakrentino ye free chrome hako krofu frosoda onam kwa bi so okro bi so a obohu se metal ade bi si kwa ho a yakata uyi enimu no free hope e telephone ma so a emergency on dial kra
na bra automatically answer na I hear for the baso working 1950 BB or 1960 BB na motorway telephone motorway yo as a wood driving motorway na BBC to make for phone here call enne eni biaba enne moment you see eni biaba no 19 the hobby been a coming come here motorway over 50 years when I on road was the motor baby to who that year wom kwan ya ye wo hai 1819 washing day ye do mahama e be fi aban mu no mo ye kwan and na me no kase kwan ne tutu asay enya papa enti na me maka kire mo se enye de bia na president no and president no kwan ne tue sika no ma contract no ye say man sanyo me nyina wo se ye hwe but eneno the way na Ghana say ya chu ensem no do we mistake we be off enne nkofo bebre afra me say yen hwe na yanka Greek ende yen kan Abraham Saturday next week yen kan Greek na mo pese focus on accident no any emergency ni say na be save enipa nkwa and therefore wo na wo ton moto every na wo hey aye wo kada fo ye na mo kan ha nyinai mo na you know all of these things ehiamu. It's very, very important to you. What do you have to say about it?
Yeah.
About the lack of emergency we are a war memoha. We are Ghana same to what's a brother papa. But man worry. You know they are mixing.
Yeah. Let me use this opportunity to before those people.
Almost a voice in what home.
Voice there when as time goes out, people come.
Hit in the bemua.
I look like an aeroplane which I have to fly. You see,
you don't want you to be aeroplane.
You see the sweat, everything.
But that's it.
You see, when we started talking about these our politicians before we went to the accident thing, we were telling us something that we should bring some forms that will be filling.
Yes, young feel
this is what we want and this is what we will do. When Obama was coming, I learned that was the same procedure. He went to the people and said, "Oh, send up to see won't come here and one of the days when
Obama yes, I don't know.
Oh, son of
listening to normal yeah, okay.
And you know, Abano sometimes he has to listen to us. Said you okay before say obey me and you know. Because I've been in government, some smart people say, what happened on the ground? Oh no more. Everything is working perfect. Everything is working perfect. Not knowing is that these people were telling them that when no more was passes, you don't greet. Until one time I put my car down and maneuvered to join the truck stop, and I saw the poster there and I just raised up. Who is this guy? And I began listening to what they were saying. The same thing is happening to the government. Say, what you are saying can you be anymore? This is what we Ghanaians we want. So road Nasaya. Mama cars na so nye kama cars na nye original cars na nye papa
road worthy
and then what's the one you could car when you don't have money use all your money to buy old car be now would they drive it. I think that government emphasize some law and as a real citizen young man in law be say although this is a 10 years car ever Ghana is over age you pay more duty. Now, it was so 10 years. And what are you doing for us? Yeah. There was some buses we are this
space bus near the 40.
You see,
space bus the 50.
And then government no young for car name. Yeah, the car name.
Your bus be a friend of Willow. Kanesi, Ozoko,
Circle.
Yeah, Kanesi Odoko. Eradication of these old cars from the road.
Menu asa cars ni na a police for dia.
Director.
Join on churching.
Director.
Oh, yeah, friend space car no. A police for car.
Space car. Ana menu apenyi bi wo your friend Willow.
And then the officer will to you.
Oh, men to be to. Antino Saka no Ochina.
When I'm when you saw
Ochina. Enye. Ndumonzo bo wuchie te go back to
we've been
as a police phone only.
Yes, they own majority of
space car near police phone.
Majority of it is for them.
Director, it seems that we've been giving the government a problem, but there is no solution. Accident. Let me give one or two solutions here. I'm bringing the solution. They can't problem here the solution to ease this accidents. Everything here free partner. So and I say everything I'm maintaining good head of people here now. Woman new cars MRA system. Find a new cars, Baba. Say you took car, the same car, 2018 car, every Europe, now what they buy. Duty no already a born duty not their raising amount. Because to old car duty no from but they run penalty. Penalty on a new car. So let them reduce new car duty for us. Now you have new cars emra number one. Number two, what we should car that no for people like 207 these sprinters and all these over. What is 207 sprinter for people bra? Now when I just what you duty pen. Never for we see 3,000 euros, which is almost less than 20,000 Ghana cedi. Fakra for bra. Never will people now why previous duty no. See a person limited accident never change keke. Nichi twaso.
Now I just a new car buy and won't your duty.
No duty because what you are one. Sir, we are bringing an idea. We are bringing an idea.
Idea can be support you saying ka young new cars in system no because car that than the kunipa. Ain't no car what your duty da and all the for bar.
Na you didn't watch out. Na you the road work.
And then can hear
wait, let me land. Mammy point.
Yeah, the road where you know as a talk
kakra.
And you boom. Matthias.
One advice to the government only say is my voice coming?
Yeah.
Hey, can you hear my voice?
Yes, me too.
Yeah. So, Samuel 207 data or I have no P number R, Q, and Z. It's over 10 years. Okay, if you have a magazine, me documents in here. This is the car. Government take the car. Me, I make the 3,000 euro. Me the import to be free Germany. Now I have a plate of 1,000. I have 4,000. Just like 4,000 euros. Me the car number. Media mami. Media co. Then say, make you can answer another 700 million, 500 million. I said a new car. I will make sure I'm maintaining the old car. Not for the benefit of those people who are inside, but for my own benefit. Say, the basic council. Because number one, the government don't know me. The government don't pay me. The government he only knows you when you are in prison. They don't go to prisoner and your docket and I'll be ever wrote for 10 times. I mean, I say, this is you. But this is a situation. And Kayani Okrumu now said, no, that you're fixing your line. And you know, this one there, this solution, Yanni old cars now brought 10 years now. Let's
say, as I'm now the point a woman then say, put me the car for bar. And no. A bit saving nipa life, at least a young mono kakra, and to say that dana, a yena, a kunipana, yet would duty no, and can road word and amphibia road word, ya, Naka Wutia, no Wutia, send a ya calf, mono be Naka mono no sono, and young granny baby kunipan. And Yaka Johnny and a day, and me patch say, Yaka mono bano, no police force will check his speed. Ghana, Mamma, speed camera near her. I was a co speeder. Can what the abano? Near yen in such a way say, yeah, the speed camera hiding. It's what Wukano, what number plate abandon Sakawi, Hayford na de buy. What number any
the speed that
we speed now we bet what the question was me the kwa have to Kumasi.
Okay, me man swing chawano. So who two one money for us say who two or class of four. So if we are speaking against the government and also mama yani system no so yes we change kakra because when we all travel outside we see outside Africa the system no a change like you can't even speak down all of a sudden you can't just relate anywhere said you open up. We just obey rules
because
citizens
obey
the rules no the citizens yes you obey the rule and you know
and so I say nipa no so di mra na so
yes we di mra so to limit all these accidents and go
Clifford say what the adwin bi aba me kwa me o say omo de cars ni ade e ba brand new cars Japan Toyota Ghana ne Sivan ni sa ade no omo bonded we emo ni sugar omo nyina omo bonded warehouse omo tumi di new money ko it ye ta customs for ho na mo tua duty no aka ho ni yeyi motor na tua duty no aka ho ni yeyi is that the suggestion that you are coming up with?
You see, let me tell you this.
In terms of you be to your road world in a car,
the upper chain old cars. Let me paraphrase it.
Yes,
old cars. A accident it was because on Namha, the board joint car road. I say where you say I say.
But I said,
now cause accident. And the Aminia you can say where the kaya to be a sprinter. Odiaba Juma 10 years.
Yes.
Ukura papers. Say also the sprinter for ba. And you certain things na ye duty din report was it your way now and where you can. Name they can tag the duty to the roadworthy. Me amount coin I'm out the car number no way. So what yes now the year with you every time we are roadworthy no yeah the duty no to and you be old cars and cause problems no yes it be and not every system no na new cars are there etimi. There's another place that me person once am kapa a discipline in your corner a team no ya must say the beer ni wa your friend discipline you because for me I say me discipline no me nye discipline the na me nye discipline ya chemia me say me pay me way through what you say me tuka anofa bi mfrifie da enwene say me ye mistake na me di ngwase asema metimi akọ sell wo ngwase asema amedi because apart from some the can be body pano the akabia me fi say the asema besibia na metimi pay me way there out of it. Indeed, the discipline is not there.
Yeah.
Now that discipline I say me de bia ye ba ha me de me can here for. Say discipline no I can intimi confirm free soro e me sheye. Ye education system and ye say ye reform no e ma ni change ye nipa no. O ti dia me chena say ukokro bi so a before akwara no be ko preschool say one 3 years no. Owuramu a enoma ye kire no nye 212 what you say enoma ye kire no ye discipline, integrity, perseverance, determination, way, attitude, citizenry say ebi krobi so anto so be di 8 as I started 212 23 112 22 and you know obesua ade na wie no na owo fapim bia ode adesua na ye dey esi so a ode bo na bra enti na ma na bribe a onye no enye se ofiri wiem na bae because ye dey attend no free no call na dey bia me massa example say ye na ya nkobo world cup ade na Japan for kwa ba bi o mo tra o stadium no ye ball cup ni wie o mo pra ho na siesie ho ma na ye need chance any okoto because it's part of their life. Sana corruption is normal no. Ya chere omo from the beginning. Ama omo kunu say enya de papa ti onko. Enti me confirm free SHS manage mo pa. But to me ne dey say see a year reforms enya ho dey say ko start. Nti bo so bi tincha house you politicians again. Omo ye ade no wo baby a omo nim say by the time omo first term no be end no na san kola na omo do age a omo to aba enti ye den omo to aba untimi nsi aprosan wa ade aso o de asem na make na say no untimi nsi aprosan e wo ade aso. There's a reason why abrochire police wo
the confidence crash say odo nsabe she obotom say me ma who just Emma, why is it so? Because they are teaching from them collaborating. It is yes, it is part of his life. It is part, exactly. Say yeah, gusuro no na ya say ya. And this time there must be some serious reform to be a preschool or urban. It in yeah fade out to econo. Ade we there will be a bill. Yeah fade out to kono. Na omo mo frase yeah ba. Na who say who took every crow na kwabuchi. Na be a who are down for brony. Now ready feel cry now and the baby abroad now can't ade bi na nya no kra. The way of me show and catch us you're lying. I just say, yeah, Mama said, Penny to say, we didn't try. Oh, Debbie. Because a entity did enough. All those things affect the discipline on the road. Accidents are a senior day now. Nina can't.
Then we say, Obi and go school, and answer will be near Juma yet, and answer the Juma in our bono, and answer
not no crazy papa. Yeah, go trigger.
Nancy drivers are
frustrated people.
Frustrated, or let me use another word. Say, me ko yemi degree, me ko bomb masters and guys me pick aswa tamale down. It seems that they are Oscar rejected.
I'm go here now. The way
I'm say. Until Uber introduced here, and I was educated people. I just joined. But here, I was a man goes to mentor English, mentor maths, mentor science. I feel my happy mate. We did one who be a kotoka mame. So, or mono kwana enkurame. So, nyachena sirao. So, no drink. And even though these people don't know how to use the mouse, the sensor to write this driving licenses, because this driving license, right now, I'm calling you video about mouse. You was so say. Like this guy was simply we knew anything about that, and so he also driving test or internet. So I saw them teaching him do this and that. So educational system no down. And I want to be called driving, and yes, a profession be frustrated driving. And I'm going to take one of them. And you did now quantity.
Your major roads are here for the 2 was your major roads are your 2 was. They are open to me at testify passing we official pit stop. Linda dog. Yeah, back on network. And in Paradise. Yes. Who is pit stops me everywhere. Accra to Takra, where's the pit stop? Kumasi to B, where's the pit stop? They mentioned OTS. Several kilometers on traveling road, there are no pit stops. There are no places for them
those
to stop.
People in Europe will testify. Say when you pick Euro bags or Frezi bags, I've been from Holland to Italy. So you get every
number of kilometers. No, oh baby,
you stop almost by like 10 times, 20 times.
America, what they do is that you have a certain number of kilometers you can cover. Once you cover those kilometers, you have to stop and rest. You force. And a Nippon so the police in Ojinawa or be able to know from over time and only time about truck and start engine start here. And how many hours? Yes. Apart from booking, there's a system in your car. Oh, Nippon no truck no they are now or they are small as a driver on pell bonnet into what the system I check and you do police engineer with me check it from time I will start the engine. What I say I will see road. How many hours now where the copy so no who are with now. Now would the grow or beg your license and everything so when know the other because on my own kunipa. How many pit stops do we have? Pit stops you are ubejina home. Paramedics, ambulances, your paramedics in Ukraine, a be ambulance and almost bikers. Paramedics are almost bikers. Almost they drew off first because almost the traffic at you, traffic you. What did I mention as an answer? Be an ambulance and Ankasa Abba into obey resuscitation. Why, yeah, an ambulance and Abba and say at Nipana to ambulance. Linda Docrami, who's ambulance?
It's very unfortunate. Say, I'm paying for no.
I just say, I go outside. And you almost say, Mohia, And your massive here, and I keep on saying, say, Adia Bakwa Sankrofo, the only language they understand is what we are about to do, which is the People's Project. That's the only language they understand. Now Ghana be who be, and the government will see something. Because Ghana has never seen 500,000 people on the street marching before. They will see it. Because yes, Emma or mining, yes, or mining Yabasa, Ube fixing road, Obey the Obey, but they are setting post-accident management to be what we need to have it.
Ramuma, a friend, Yama, it's here for also. Emblem kakra na almost on trauma dream. Maybe the Bia can say, Obi or Honima Kro, Honima Kankai, but it's Mukasa. Obi obit me a cassa, bit me a canyan, some Emma Taba in the trim. Obi a one go school crowd to me for to a what's one of pa for phone. The WhatsApp call be me from some me now Casa, who send many per bit master Sandy Pabrabo. Pame, phone calls or no, before now you better.
Mr. Police for some way. So who say Medicare ba na highlight na say ya. Should elect an man me found quiet. No who say my the next day. Since Jelly pack. No anything for the boys. No what Jimmy Manye. More years sika. On force ye say ya. More years sika. So who's who can the man and say better. Obey the Tetegan, ya Miss Free baby, I told him, no, never the Tetegano, a tomano, one more fine share.
And now, Papa, my impactable to no.
Oh, yeah, Moon Chasse, and your money be Yama. Say, a woman from shore as people, but Mamma, my Mamma, yes, he can. Say, me do want to say, me, like first I need to DV, road wet, like 100 Ghana. Me do want to say, that's my packet car, me, you are. I don't know how to make quarter, and I saw me con charge me 150. Abra, ubet me a lead me. As my packet car, my quite dim Yamsicana Wagiano. I'm a force me on the Kota road wet. No, I just you to. Did there be a minimum? Me chada, let me use Sunyama and Yano, our academy. Secondly, baby, any marking kind of multi chair licenses. Opian wouldn't quite fast with licenses. Up till now, April, people don't know how we can get licenses in Ghana.
Yes.
Because you write these exams and write, you will not pass it. So many people are using dubious means, our knowledge of how we can drive car. And yeah, a bit more so. I say yes, and So right now, yeah, I'm praying that we the citizens will change, the policemen they will change. Macho as a Nigeria way for Weber. Now you who can you first a boy than say you because one say the obedient now every day. And I said, we are not praying for another one to happen. We are not praying for another one to happen. But what measures are we putting in place to ensure and
happen you?
From here to Kumasi, when I would drive one way near Bonsa 4 hours.
How? I never boom. 4 hours. I say, double lane. What I say, 4 hours. Before by not in the one lane. Obey one lane. From Sawamoye and Okoye Bako. It is a yes, it's now manifesto say, yes, you are free at Yakosia, Tuesuba, also Yakosia, from you my yard from her to Baga. Yes. Now, I make say, you're bombing. Oh, over the People's Project. No, you catch a bind say, when we say good trap, if you have to I'm a summer Pukuasi, or no, I'm a summer double. I want some woman on a double, and no sign there and Coco, Wopaba, to say Ghana for a kind of you put 2 million. Yabeni. Also, and Coco to a heifer, a Kumasi, the first time of it, a Juso Abanini, open.
We are a granite here for
who is about 10 years, Ghana, sir.
You met me,
a bra, woman, it's here possible, but before that, no, can you be almost startup, small business, a person promoting or Mantino, can advert maybe more.
Sure. Yeah, we such good evening here. If we Sally Fulbright, AIM Global is trying to provide business ideas for everybody.
Yes.
And then the number 2. So if you need it, you call him and then you speak to him. He really needs serious people to come on board. And then his number is.
Not business near anyway.
Or see, do you have an extra source of income? Are you business oriented? Don't have huge sums to start one. Have you ever wished to create a broad avenue to help many others make a better living? If yes, then look no further than join AIM Global.
AIM Global. And the AIM Global for more number then.
Our number is 0241 200 789.
Yes, what we are doing, we pay some income. Be a kakana we are the down on for AIM Global. Can next one we are going to perform also.
Komla Jigben, also with Germany, and then also providing local food.
Germany food. Also Germany here.
Or Germany, one of your own.
Who are open local for the ultimate team? You've seen it, team.
Base
count need to go no. And the moment you have base count. Any of base count, base count is you for no. Messemen that they be at me yard better will be an host and send a base count to be a chairman.
My WhatsApp number to
so I'll pay Ghana for papa no our German no friend number ben number ne enko
+233
yes
50 20 39 888
sambo to be
0333 code no 50 20 39 888
yes sir friend say your friend say wait me wa pay Ghana for edi no hold on am family nua ba ko wa ha ye nua ba ko na code we me me fi ko mu na me bank Greece code yes Greece ye nua ba ko free Greece onia ya ciao ya jo so papa na Greece phone to say
Great for who you buy or you
yɛda Yesu ase onia kyerɛ wadwene ne yanko
me pam so MC no abuchi kakra
sa
who ne ma e wo abuchi ne wo di Ghana so
sa
na me pam so ade amoye na ye na me pese ade demonstration beba o ye Ghana no se be ye call civil war da se mo ye se wo be first small demonstration ebe me nipa kwani football Ghana ombe do mfu beti ho a demonstration civil war o so anwa enye ye bi mo de woni se bi o ye peaceful demonstration na ko ya asem ke se bi ma ya o so anwa bi o enye ye ni anu ye ho pero ye Africa no Ivory Coast no Rwanda no ni ade na mo konto kwa asem bo na sani free buy no se ye me le mo se mo ni mo me fu se ni pebo Ghana ma je say on be for demonstration so don't be creative to obedi kind with you abese dey demonstration on for problem
na ba ne senti na omo ye Ghana constitution omo san twere wo mo nim say demonstration this civil war be na constitution omo tro hye mu say obia omo say unhia poliampo ne ye ni papa dodo adenti na omo de share constitution ni mu say wo hwe na bibi koso wo man mu na nkoyi a you have the right to demonstrate against adie no adenti na omo de share wonim say e de civil war beba na omo de share constitution mu na won ka say ndie yenyi ho no free constitution mu na da so hye mu e wo Ghana mramu say obia bibi e wo Ghana mramu say obia bibi hawa wo hwe enkoyi enu nti na MPP for opposition omo organize wombo demu kumase ha civil war ama omamu ha MPP for 1995 organizing Kumipreko demonstration civil war ama kuromu ha and this MPP for 2015 was a demonstration organizing civil war amba in omaibia enibie wo mu bia bebia wo tene Greece demonstration is see what Greece in 1 year say in 2 years almost some of president bear 5 times enti no adenti no memu ha se bibi ekoso na enkoyi a ewo se obia de manyame na obia tena se din na wadwen ye wo say ye demonstration na the civil war beba
ai papa no so de say
mami ka sem ka me ni wa ni ya we sa wo ka o ma ye demonstration be bremini any check o mi yo ba Africa ya ma se se no o ye demonstration be few mu bio na dia person we Ghana dia no target Ghana me ka target
we are prophet one.
Na prophet asem mami no kasem ba ko. Asem we practice no so kasa me pesem no kasa. Se ka amu di demonstration.
You bet Jesu papa. You bet Jesu because democracy, idea democracy. Yes, man, you what dream say Ghana for hold on.
Mr. Grace.
Mr. Grace, you have to be more kasa.
Debia ya ka se utai tie ya. Ya ka se civil agitation within the context of the law. Ghana who yes and the pennyfo na di enramo ye de bie brutal. Nipa 2 million bet me a match wo Ghana signboard ba kokura honka. Ye ne bie brutal. I'm telling you, if your case civil agitation na de bia so tie ye we say it's within the context of the law. Ye ba be civil agitation. Yako police are my men and officers and men. What you say? Almost direct agitation no towards an agreed route. And a TPP no the People's Project no Ghana no aye basa no and ye be ye. Inti ye me say bibia obi a bo se wo say bibi no onye TPP ni.
Yen ya catch them ukama na sisa. Ba nya wo cheba catch them so oman mu me go secondary school. Person me catch papa man TB. Owura no me sure so that so was so. Me was secondary school. Yeah. Na ye need light wo na ye need light wo school. Obi a call Bremen Sukuma secondary school bi ani say time me be school ho. Na light ni sa school no. One day na me wo form 2 and I say sad the whole school and ye call demonstration. Demonstration na ye call ye no. Ye call demonstration no call ECG, call hinin fie, e call education service. And by 2 weeks time na light to school. Time a DC in the school no. Assembly of kind of school for say this is the first time I make demonstration in any school in Ghana. Yam pai liver blade ba kokra. Yam pai liver blade ba. That time na me 15 years. Then we are starting and then you did 42. I was say your man you did any bread. A job my way see what. I was say you did any bread. Any bread I bet your man see on the say. O my nanka se na mu ye den deda. Ya ho ntoyen. Kakra na e wono so, wo ka say ye be se no. Akoyechi 20 years as ya be start bi dabi. But I was said democracy na ye na e ma ye to about 4 years. E sign ma ye ho kwan say bibi koso na say ya. Ye betumi ade emra kwan so aye ye kire. Emra no eni ye disu. Enti no. Bra.
Hello?
Meet you 1 minute.
When the demonstration I walk on in Ghana, this me all 4 time over the crowd. This is the USD. Omiyan to kwa o ma demonstration mo senior recently school for meaning Kumasi High School Prempeh College no. O demonstration mo senior ma. For you na so be demonstration na senior ma. Prince kan ye pentua.
Janu ho asem na ye. Entianu ho asem na ye ka.
So say o ma senior ma class see you win ba no at the US. Sanko dan.
Say wo suggestion na say.
Yes, you know, me and senior ma.
You know what? Say you funi sorry no. You funi sorry no. Say you fun tama na ye wo school ye ni you friend na be president no. Say you funu na ye tech secondary school US na ni esi penifoni ye no. E chapel breso ye no mo konto kwa no. Ye ni asabe penifoni.
Na mo ankasa na mo ye. Mo sa youth no. Mo na ma ben penifoni na.
No mo sani ye ma. No mo sani ye ma. Say abai ni sisi no ye. Say ye ne amafo party shishika US no. The same thing. There's no change. It's ne. E kwa nso so amoso mo so na uniba. O ma say say ne ma ho no.
Say yen ora say yen then na feel say what say ye won fa solution
advice mo fasi e mo ba kasa e so but mo ko so de bia obi betimi di akwa bi e adu
time mo nka mo eya mo nya abotene nkrofo mo amma nkrofo an
ka say protect say impossible war e Ghana impossible because adi be bu amo ya I'm saying they are going to be able to move. And we could have been no say agro sano. I'm going to some for me. The best son yamano is going to progress with.
Your friend is saying Canada. Hold on, when Canadian in Casania yet your memoir. Uti Greece, so when I opened to an airpen to yet Hana, you will to Greece with guy. What I say, a nipa say, oh, okay. Just a crabby man. A nipa say, no more mine. Once and exactly. Ya yamra wo mem ha trash book mu say emra na ye nyina hye na ye referendum 1992 na referendum se bibi ha adwen a e wo se mutumi ye kire empanifo kom nya boma ye emra dia to the
context of the
law we ye demonstration and talk about ntino obi an transitin na ye tama ye wa champion school me de bia me ka say enipo mo de 60 years wo kom ha me kan we mo be say media na die news enipo mo de 60 ekon be 10% na papa omo di ehwan mo papa nipa bonefo we do 50. Hello.
Hello?
Onion?
Yeah, Mami.
Fire near uncle.
What about the maker?
Would them kind TV train?
Metamas, Papa, Ghana. Now, near Mr. Papa, no offense, that's a demonstration, no, the demonstration again. It's not true. So, what would be a often 2 year pen full of. Wow, Naka, never almost year, not a negunti and the demonstration, cat and the money. And near on my phone panel, on your mother. Mother, what you want? I am. What do you want to see? On my Ghana.
Brad. Oh. Ye, Lana Katia Shimio. Ye. Obesa Frebium. Hello.
Hello.
Ye.
I'd like to contribute.
Yeah, that's it. Or dear Fabro of Fredia, Brad, just a would you, man, and someone will go for that. To the menu for Casa. Hello. Hello. Oh, but put about no, I can't say no.
Yeah, we're listening to you. Your name and where you're calling from?
Yeah.
Hello.
About the demonstration. Now, I really support you guys. Where Ghana is going, I came to Ghana for holidays.
Yeah.
And the aircon and makuma so many young men haven't even got job to do.
Yeah.
So young men, if we can gather them, Maumun can say Ghana is for us, for their future.
Yeah.
They need to do a constructive demonstration. Yeah. Very constructive. Don't listen to them. The rest they are old. They are old. So let them think that and they have so many years ahead of them. So what now and Penifono or more yes or more kind of cracker, we move for no more for her. And they cannot, they won't even there's no future for them. Yet but yet one a lot of and in China for before you grow Ghana. And it's very sad. And what Ghana is for us to sustain the future generation. I was someone fighting for Ghana. I was someone who won't try, no one get as much people as they can. We don't need old people to be I'm not insulting anybody and I'm not talking against anybody. But I think baby, is for themselves, and what you're doing is a very good job, and we will all support you, and we're going to pray for you for more to gather the youth.
Yeah, that was it. Yeah, thank you so much.
Constructive demonstration.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much.
All right.
Come and over finance corner airport.
I said, sir, Greece, sorry.
Oh, yeah. This papa watch that you are not training. You also not the weird demonstration in talk about. Hello.
Yeah, hello.
Bra, yeah, ciao.
Oh, hi. Good evening.
Good evening. Good evening. Good evening.
My name is Benjamin. I'm coming from the US.
Okay, Mr. Ben.
Can I speak English?
Yes, you can. You can speak. Me, I can even speak Chinese.
Okay, perfect. Okay, thank you guys so much for this program. I really appreciate it. I've been looking for opportunity also contribute a little bit. So, regards to the demonstration you guys talking about, my first question is, what is the aim of the demonstration? What are we seeking the government to do? Because if it's a change, I think if we all sit down and analyze things, we know that Ghana is a country that is not going to change. With the system we have in place in Ghana, what we want is not going to happen. The change we want will never happen. The only thing we have to do is get rid of politics in Ghana. As far as NDC, NPP, CPP, whatsoever, as far as those parties are involved, or as far as that kind of system in place, there is no way Ghana is ever going to move forward.
Okay, so if I can explain to you briefly, we are doing exactly what you are saying. We are sick and tired of NDC, MPP, CPP, whatever PP. We are tired of